But in real life, but it's happening in 2050. The Holocene has ended. Council to voice something. This is now Utopia. The count of years will be going so fast. The Venus's gas slowly fade until it's nothing anymore. Began to drastically for something. It was like to terraform a new ocean source called Anatropy Industria. This is called Atlantic Blue Ocean Industry. Mars is remaining habitable of its own. The sun luminosity will be increased on the many ones. But many rounds has never ended. The Mars is now habitable, same as the Earth. The Venus will be terraformed soon. But somehow, it's gonna terraform. 9 pixels will be entirely terraformed Venus. Remaining the ocean near Venus make a dive. Now Venus is habitable. Apparently, Saturn's rings will be gone. Now the Mars moon's diamonds or purpose start crashing into Roche limit, and then added to something special in the ring system. Planetary rings. The planetary rings so we diamonds crash into Mars and then make a new ring. The sun luminosity increased to 1%. The Pangea will be starting for Antarctic ice melt. For something special, the continents move. The Earth remains one single supercontinent, and then begin to end an ecosystem called Pangea Proxima. The life has ended. The beginning of the continental drift was still in during the excess of the ocean. The sun is increasing luminosity with something special. Mercury hits the burst. 100 degrees Celsius. Still hot enough to melt. Apollo. Venus has placed the life. Now the Earth's ocean dried away. Venus was too hot, then in hospital for life. The sun's remain will be on 10% brighter. Then make a red gigantic. Mercury has been eaten by the sun. Then currently will be depleted the hydrogen and helium for something special. The sun is now a red gigantic. Venus and Earth will be hot enough when we were still hanging out. Then came the Venus. The sun is still hot enough to melt a Venus. And just smash out of this. The sun remains of the helium fuel, the flash through the planet Earth. And then the sun is becoming a white dwarf. Its own inside
ทำไม
of a nebula.
เสร็จแล้วยังไงมาอ่านให้พ่อฟังสิ
Now the sun is a white dwarf that makes its own remnants inside of the nebula. The sun glows as white dwarf.
จับพวกมัน
That glossiness and then it nothing for cooling down the surface temperature. Begin to lose this. The earth remains very hot, then cool down to have a life. The habitable zone has been shown us that for a reason, the white dwarfs were cooling down. In 1 sectillion years, they're starting to cooling down things. They then have an ocean around the sun. The moon still cannot, because it needs a solidified initial. Now the Earth as an ocean, but for some reason the continents can't move. It then dried it out to the supercontinents. South America and Africa smashed together, while Australia is hanging up. The North America is still in Easter war. While Antarctica is smashing to South America and Africa. Asia has another mess for the reason. And then began to cool down Mars. And then began to cool down. We're still in peace. R.I.P. son. The life has me not exist. They're cool anymore. Became the darkest ones in the entire universe. Once that started to cancel up, it reached for the maximum, then cool down the universe entirely. The planet had been cooled down. Neptune and Uranus has gone, while Saturn and Jupiter loses mass. It's very dark out here. It started turning into something special. It then remaineth drastically forever. Darkness. Once the star can't feel, it will turn into iron. And then consists the black hole. Will begin to bonding. The generated era began to fall down. Then form a new black hole. It is so weird. The black hole took over the world, then shrink with Hawk radiation. Began a proton decay, which converts us to form something far away. Then the sun has gone. Black hole decay. And then it will make a universe. Very black. For something to happen, the black hole starts to decay. Then the entire universe will be RIP, the Big Crunch. This is the end of a universe. The point of a cycle will be be able to see what is going on happens.